Hey there Bixby developers, my name is John the Pan, and in today's video I'll be explaining what NL categories are and how to implement them into your capsule. Natural language categories, NL categories for short, are general capsule classes for natural language processing. If you want to allow users to set your capsule as the preferred capsule for one or more categories, you can add various category values to your capsule. This gives you the added advantage of letting users invoke your capsule without having to use name dispatch. This demo here will demonstrate the end results of implementing an NL category. So for this one, I used my capsule Quiz Trivia.
To do that, you'll need to add a trivia capsule.
And you'll see that my capsule is automatically suggested to the end user. After adding the capsule, if you say to Bixby, play a trivia game,
Welcome to Quizit. Let's start a quiz.
It will automatically start Quiz Trivia without the need of name dispatch. For those unfamiliar, name dispatch would be like saying, ask Quiz Trivia to play a trivia game. To summarize, you should implement NL categories for increased exposure and first-party-like treatment due to no longer needing name dispatch to start your capsule. So the first question you'll have to answer is your capsule qualified? As of making this video, there are over 30 NL categories in English and 10 NL categories in Korean. First and foremost, your capsule has to be a good fit for that NL category, and that will be determined and screened by the capsule review team, and although rare, your capsule can be in multiple NL categories. In order to determine whether your capsule is qualified, you should check the documentation. So over at bixbydevelopers.com, just search for natural language, and you'll see natural language categories. So let's say you're making a horoscope capsule. Seems like it'd be a good fit for the astrology category. First, read the description, and finally, check to see if your capsule fulfills these required example utterances. So it'd be expected of your capsule to be able to tell the end user what their horoscope is, and tell the end user what their horoscope is based on their sign. If you believe your capsule would be a good fit for that NL category, let's move on to the next step, which is the easy part, adding the code. So I'll be using my capsule Quiz Trivia as an example. Over in capsule.bxb, just add the capsule categories key and then add category. Then add the category that you would like your capsule to be a part of. Now that we're done with the code, let's move on to the next step, which is to test it. When testing for natural language categories, you'll want to test the required example utterances in the documentation. So you can test this in the simulator. I want to play a trivia game.
Welcome to Quizit. Question 1. Area 51 is located in which U.S. state? D. Utah.
And as you can see, Quiz Trivia is providing a trivia game to the user. You should also test for some variations of the required examples. For example, a variation of this might be, let's play a trivia game.
Welcome to Quizit.
Play me a trivia game now. As you can see, this capsule works for different variations of the required example utterances. And the last step is to simply submit your capsule. I've also made a step-by-step video on how to submit your capsule, and a link to that will also be in the description below. So there you go, how to implement NL categories into your capsule. I hope this video helped you fast-track your capsule for first-party-like treatment on Bixby and increased exposure. My name is John the Pan. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, that's it.